Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I just wanted to do a quick presentation of a few of the accessories that I plan to take with me throughout next year, 2025, as I plan to do a bit more traveling. And I thought I would just bring a few accessories to be prepared, not just the camera and the selfie stick. So yeah, let's begin with the video. Now, the first things first. I just bought this GoPro Travel Kit case online. It's not the GoPro case. It is not durable. Does not provide that much protection. But inside the backpack, with in between clothes, clothes and other stuff, it won't get damaged, or whatever stuff you have inside won't get banged up. But yeah, it is pretty minimal, and I don't plan to bring that many accessories with me. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, now first things first, the mini tripod, the GoPro Shorty, which can also be extended, so you can use it as a selfie stick, or when you use it as a tripod, you can extend you can extend it and use it to gain more height in your videos if you want. Okay. The second thing is the GoPro light mod. I'm sure you are all familiar with this one. It is a small light which is very useful for brightening up darker areas or the environment in which you're filming in. It charges via USB-C. It is water resistant, so that's a plus. It also comes with this diffuser, and it can be mounted on the media mod, in which I will almost all the time keep the GoPro in. Next, it is the Volta, which has an internal battery and can keep your GoPro charged up for longer periods of time, and it provides you with more filming power, more battery power for longer filming time. Sorry. Yeah, you can also use it as a tripod for night lapses, or yeah, if you want to film something, you want to leave your GoPro on a table, on a surface, and just let it film. Okay. The GoPro itself, the camera, which is almost all the time mounted in the media mod. Again, with the wind guard, the wind muffler, which can minimize the wind noise when you're filming. Okay, let's just put it on like that. And you can also charge up the camera through the USB-C port that is included in the media mod. Now keep in mind, while the GoPro is inside the media mod, it is not waterproof. It is only water resistant. So if you're caught in the rain with your GoPro, no problem at all, but don't submerge it. And at the bottom, you can see you still have access to your finger mounts, so you can mount up the GoPro on your Volta or on a Shorty, or whatever mounting system you have that requires the GoPro fingers. Okay, a cleaning cloth, which is quite useful to have, as the lens and the screens do get dirty, and you might need to wipe them off, either from, I don't know, just your fingers, or from rain, dust. Okay, up top, a few GoPros, a few spare batteries, just in case. They don't usually sit in this carrying case. I do have a separate battery, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, the charging cable, which you can use to charge all of your devices from external batteries or from wall, or from the wall if you want. Okay, a small external battery. This is a 5000 milliamp hour battery. I usually keep this one for the GoPro Volta to keep it charged up. I use it once until the battery is drained, and then I use this smaller one to charge up fully the GoPro Volta. Okay. The battery door for the GoPro, in case you don't want to use it with the media mod, but you still want to retain the water resistance or the waterproofness with this one, and a thumb screw. Now for the case, that's about it. Now a few extra accessories that I usually throw in my bag are a few more power banks. This one is the 10,000 milliamp hour power bank for the from Telesin. This one is specifically designed to fit GoPro batteries inside. So yeah, you can put them right in here, get them charged up. You can close it up. You can still see you have a see-through panel to check if your batteries are fully charged. You can also charge up the power bank. It has it has USB-A and USB-C. Now the USB-C is both input and output, so that's a plus. Okay, this one is specifically for the GoPro batteries. And just as backup, a 20,000 milliamp hour battery. 20,000 milliamp hour battery from Anker, which I recently purchased and made a video about it. You can watch it on my channel. It is quite useful. Two USB-A ports and a USB-C, which is also input and output. And a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, also from Anker. This one is an older model. It only has one USB-A and the USB-C. Again, input and output on the USB-C. So yeah, you can have all of these thrown in your backpack. They don't take that much space, and you can be relieved to know that you won't run out of juice. And you can also use these to charge up the Volta, charge up the GoPro, charge up the... We can probably use this one to charge up this other battery for the GoPros if you don't have, if you're not anywhere near a power outlet. So yeah, that's about it for this video. These are the main accessories that I plan to bring with me. I don't know if anything will change going forward, but yeah, I tend to keep it pretty minimal. But yeah, these are going to be my top accessories for traveling. You can also find any of these online on Amazon or eBay, or I'm not sure if you can find it in the US at Walmart, but here in Romania, most of these I found on EMAG. They are pretty cheap, and yeah, they're very useful. Okay, well, that's about it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, you can subscribe if you want. You can leave a like or dislike, if whatever you feel, if you liked the content or didn't. And yeah, hopefully I can make a few more videos in the future, traveling, gadgets, to continue to grow my channel. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Alright. Oh, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.